customer's answers match their
Hello,
information.
people.
Complete the transaction.
I don't know what this game is, so I am playing this game.
Hey, look at you! You checked out your first customer.
And my cousin.
Great job!
You guys don't know
Just,
about my cousin.
Keep that same energy going for the
Say
rest
hello.
of the night. And try not to overthink things.
Yeah.
Here comes another customer.
So
Wait for the customer to come to the counter.
Bro, I had not had
Bag the customer's items.
even texted chat. I had this dude that face.
Take a moment to review the customer's information on the computer.
okay. Jane Joe, what?
Press these buttons to ask the customer to verify their information.
Jane Doe? But there's already a name of Jan Doe from Forsaken. Where? Okay, made back in December. Why?
The customer is wrong about where they're from.
Don't shoot.
Customers that answer questions incorrectly are doppelgangers.
Oh lol.
Make
That's
sure to
killers.
also look out for weird-looking customers, as well as incorrect names.
So,
Pick up the pistol and shoot the doppelganger.
sorry, bud.
Use the mop to clean the goo on the floor.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry, Jando. I'm sorry.
Now, throw the body out in the dumpster outside, behind the store.
It's Jando. We killed her. Well, I did. I did most of it. Sorry, Jando. I'm sorry. I know this has to
Hey.
be these.
You got rid of your first doppelganger. Nice work. It was a little messy, sure, but you handled it like a pro.
I handle like
That's enough for your first night. Head to the bus to complete the shift.
Oh, come on, guys. Let's go to the bus. We're outside. Yeah, in the front, not in the back. Okay, hurry up. We got 90 seconds for you. Yes, sir. We beat night 1. Well, in the end of this video, I might find out the name.
Hey, welcome back for shift number 2.
Shut up.
You actually made some leftover cash from last night. Congrats. You can use that to buy some things from the supply shop. Go to the order screen
Let's
and
go.
order an item box.
We got a new purchase. We just gotta wait first, alright?
Pick up the item box and restock a shelf.
Yay, we got it. Over here. Baby girl. Okay.
Perfect. Quick heads up on your paycheck. After the company takes out the quota, you know, their share, whatever money is left over is yours to keep. You can take that extra cash over to the supply
box.
shop and buy some cool things.
Dang.
It's basically
Okay.
bonus money for being so good at your job. Anyway, I'll be going now. Just remember what I've taught you so far,
Dang.
and you'll be fine. Good luck running the place. You've got this.
Alright. Another customer. Liar! Okay.
I was born in December.
Okay. I'm sorry. Do I have to do it?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, I just got some new Now I'm taking this order. That's how much you got. You got
33 quarters.
Oh yeah.
I still have $50. Irene, stop it, bro. Maria, why you do that? What he do? Mario, why did you do that? What did he do? He's not that weird, bro. He just came into the store. You just had to kill him. Why you acting? Mario. Oh. Hey, I need some. Oh, I got 66. Okay, no shooting, Mari. Mari, don't shoot. Okay, then don't. Gee. Mari, put the gun down. Put the gun down. Put it down. We'll do that if you got the okay. Let's the new order. Oh, never mind. Our night shift has come to the end. Whoa, $55, man. Let's go back. Now you take it. He's a police officer, Chicago, and he was born in March 23rd in 1977. Okay, he's right. Yes. I guess he's correct. I barely know the knowledge. Guys, we're gonna get another order since I have enough. Murray, you have the pistol, don't you? Oh, he's just looking at me. See? Oh yeah, we got boxes now, guys. The generator. Maria, do you not shoot right now? It's not really that comfortable.
Bro, it's right.
What the flip? The tree. Alright, we gotta go back inside. It's so creepy. Come on, let's go. I'm still gonna restock some things. Alright, handle it. It's dope. Shoot. Alright.
Now he lied, bro. He said I think.
It means maybe. It means
Boy said I think.
he means like yes or no. So we don't know, so go check. So is he a firefighter?
Okay, he said.
Okay. What the heck? That cat? I just saw a freaking animal. Guys, I saw a freaking animal that looked like a cat. Where did it look like Scary Larry? Like from, Nice in the Forest.
Oh yeah? No.
Bye. Shoot. That's a... Mary, stop shooting! Mary, stop shooting! Stop shooting! Mary, you fatty. But don't shoot another customer that just got inside. Mary, you're a completely failure. Man, I'm dropping this body. I'm not gonna waste my time driving off this body. Mary. 88. I made 88.
I made 89 because I shot somebody.
No, because you just shot another customer.
Bro, I'll take the customer.
Mary? No.
No, I don't got the pistol.
Okay, then I'll get the pistol. I got the pistol. Oh shit, behind your back. Hands up! Hey, my pistol! Who took my pistol? Mary! Why you took my pistol? My revolver? Mary! What the heck? Are you trying to shoot somebody? No. Don't shoot another customer. The freaking trash bin. Oh, I see. 2,000 years ago. Heck no, it's a robbery. He's gone. Yay. Hurry. Put that freaking pistol down. Yay! We got a restock. We got some restocks, okay?
Okay.
20. Yeah, no shooter for you.
You say.
Yep. Alright, Mary. Mary, you fat self. Mary, you fat self. Be careful. Next time, put the pistol back. You just shot a freaking human. You just shot a human. Bro, you shouldn't have, and you should put it down. Yeah, Mary. Now we gotta go. Mary, put that freaking pistol down. Mary. Stop using the pistol. Jeez. And don't follow the customers, alright? Mary, don't follow the customers either. Alright, Mary. Yeah, Mary. No shooting humans. Don't shoot humans. bro, because you don't know them. They're just customers, bro. They're honesty. Put that pistol down, okay? Jeez, Mari, you don't have to hold it. You don't have to, you know that. No more ammunition for you. Can I take the Bro, I did a better job than usual. Right? Put the pistol down. Okay. When? No, shoot him! Whoa, get the body. Mary! Shot on now. Mary, if you want us to die, you want us to lose. Mary, they're just customers. They're just crowding each other, okay? Mary, you better not do anything. Don't shoot randomly. Okay, if you shot somebody one more time, I'm taking your job.
Only if you said shoot him. I'm shooting him.
Don't move your screen, alright, boy? Yeah, boy.
I won't do that.
Alright then, put the pistol down. She said shoot him.
Shoot her? She did not say shoot him. That's a human.
Do it!
Shoot it! Oh yeah.
Changa! Not again, bro. I'm gone too.
You want to see the police?
Mary, your fat self, because you killed me, you must law. Well, I'ma kick you out. Cause I'ma kick your wings. Kick your raw. Okay.
Hey, I got the customers, y'all. I won't get the pistol no more.
Can I use the pistol?
Hey, get them up. Get them up, man.
Bro, I only got one turn of using the pistol for the first night,
Yo, the
bro.
body's still. Hey.
Guys, I'll get the bodies out of here. I just got somebody's legs. What the heck? Oh, Eric, no! Help the guy outside? No! They're creepy, bro. They're freaking stalkers. Mary, I'm coming with you. What's wrong? Your pistol?
Hey, y'all supposed to come, bro.
Mary, don't you dare go close to them.
Where they at?
Over there.
Yo, they chasing me. They chasing me.
Oh! Run, run, run. What about the car?
I'm fixing his car with a pistol. Right?
No, Mary, no. I'ma help him. Alright, you shoot that guy, I help. Heck nah. Shoot. Shoot me alone. Shoot. shoot him!
Oh, now I'm coming, bro.
Okay. Another one's walking in. We did it. We did it. We did it. Go back. Fall back. Fall back.
Hey, get them up, Max. Get them up.
Mary. Okay, don't shoot.
I will not trust you no more if you keep on. Bro, I'm trying to.
Chill, bro. You don't need to move your screen a lot. Just go through your ways. Can I take the pistol job for the next night, please? Yay! Nah, shush, Mary. You already got your turn too many times.
If you get this pistol on you. Just don't trust her.
Okay.
I don't like that. You better not take the pistol. If you do, I'm Max, move!
Mary, stop shooting. Shimmy on, shimmy on, shimmy on. Mary! You shot one! You fat self. You had...
the gun before I even did that.
Mary, did you touch the pistol again? Dang. I lost my chat. I'm at my voice chat cause my language. Because of you made me scold you. Mary, you made me scold you too.
Hey, thought I'd let you know. The boss found out you missed tonight's quota.
What?
He's on his way to see you now.
Oh, no,
You know,
Gotcha.
not that I think this is our last time speaking or anything. But if it is, I guess this is goodbye then.
Clean up everything, guy. Because of you.
And I dropped the
Fudge no! Fudge no! Fudge! No! Crap! Bro, crap. He has the freaking... What?
I have my gun. If you let me see, I'm shooting that ball. Don't die.
Mari! Oh, you freaking amateur.
Oh, you freaking am.
Okay, guys, we need to win this. Should I keep the video going?
Sure.
Alright, I'm gonna keep it going for y'all. Shut up, Mary. Yay! Mary, give back the pistol. Mary, you're not gonna touch that thing. My pistol. Okay, I swear. My pistol.
Shoot.
Mary, give back the pistol. Mary, you're fat. Baby girl, Mary won't listen to me. Well, I need the pistol. Okay, fatty. Shut up, Murray. You don't have... You get it. Not my job. I don't shoot either. But you shoot the most. Who you Lord? Jesus?
Who you Lord? Go for it.
Jesus. Jesus is my Lord.
Oh yeah, get that pistol, man.
Dying tonight.
Just wait.
Hey, give back the pistol. Myron, give me the pistol. Bro. Marie, put the pistol down and give it to me. No. Nuh-uh.
You have to shoot him if you don't.
Marie, shut up. Marie.
Boy, I ain't pistol.
Marie, leave the pistol alone. Let me handle it. Jeez. Mary died, so yeah, he has been completely abandoned. That's sad. Cause I'm happy. I'm sorry I said I'm happy cause you won't listen. You don't listen too much, bro. You freaking don't listen. My little brother just died. What? Then you should have just checked it still, bro. Okay.
Wait, y'all shot a human?
Yeah.
Sure.
Bro.
Yeah, now.
Do the order, bro. If that's how the noises happen. What a freak show. Yeah, can you?
Yeah, because I got all these.
Okay. Okay. That's right. But she lying. She lying. Lying. Got her. She lied. Okay. Okay. Bro, not the freaking generator. Baby girl, take the order. Because I'm still gonna take those bodies out. I don't mean use. Done. I got all the bodies. I'm a mom. Okay. We just gotta listen to the order. Well, this is gotta be good this time because Mario's phone died. Heck no.
It is.
Fudge! I'm taking a picture, right? In case if she's lying. Okay. What? I hope not. These voices are throwing through my head. Alright, take the order. Are you? Oh, shoot him. Bro, move, Marie. Bye-bye. Okay, let's go. I did a good job, right? Yay! We're good now. Somebody needs to mop, though, I guess. I'll mop. Oh, shoot. It's you. Okay.
What the heck?
Shoot.
Yeah, hurry up and restart the show.
Get the gun then. Alright? Alright, baby girl. Just get the gun. Oh! Oh! I saw that. Bro, I saw this weird freaking human sitting. Bro, he's in the garage, bro. Bro. Hey, all liars. Mine's through my head. It's annoying. Okay, fatty. This fat face. I'm gonna get the gun. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna mop. Oops. Sorry. Yeah, I'm taking it. Correct. Bye, Robert. Oops. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just gotta grab this. Man, I'm dumb, bro. I'm so bad. What the heck is happening? Okay, let's get out of here. Jeez, that's so freaking loud. Really loud. on, Ray. Get this music out of here. Okay. Alright.
Yeah.
9, 14, 18. Okay. Alright. Yep. Good for sure. Truth never lies. Who? What happened? Really? Dang, I saw that too. What the fuck? I don't want to get more. Bruh. What the heck? Okay. He is a teacher, actually. Okay, let's go. Let's get daddle. Get daddle, daddle. Get daddle, daddle. Get daddle. There's still a few boxes left. Okay. Ah! That jump scared me. Bro, he just grabbed me and jump scared me, bro. What the heck? Why did that? I bet it was. I bet it's you now. I bet it's gonna be you. Oh no! Leave! Leave! Don't shoot! Man, we will be dead if we were in there. Hi. Look up. Gone for good. Man, that was kind of scary. Nightmares, isn't it? Philly. shoot. I didn't say shoot. I didn't say shoot it. Okay. What happened? What happened? Okay. Because I heard something really scary. I hope the jump scare got to you now. What? What'd you say, La? What? How dare you? Side eye. Criminal. Heck nah. We're cooked.
Hey, thought I'd let you know. The boss found out you missed tonight's quota. He's on his way to see you now.
Not again, bro. I'm
You know,
out.
not that I think this is our last time speaking or anything. But if it is, I guess this is goodbye then.
I'm outside, bro. I'm leaving. Bye. Smell you later. Oh my, guys, thank you for joining for today's video. So yeah, well, my cousin and my brother abandoned me. So yeah, thanks for watching for today's video. Smell you later, viewers.